Thanks so much for giving us a chance to talk to you before you make this very important decision. We know a really impressive candidate like yourself must have a lot of offers, so we want to do what we can to help convince you to come to us. So we were really impressed by your past experience in related spaces. We think that it's really great that we could potentially lock down someone like you who's already worked with BMW and Audi cars to do data extraction, to present data on their in-car consoles on the front end, and generally just knows that architecture already. So like we talked about before, the role we want to have you in is to be our head of car integration. So basically, what that looked like is it would basically be you hitting the ground running and doing all these things you've already been doing, but more importantly, you also have the ability to shape all of our prototypes going forward and really have ownership of that very important part of our company. So maybe you think that there's a new technology at a different car company than BMW is working on that'd be really great to integrate with our product. You have the power to shift our prototype to face towards that. And we think that it's really important to offer you these ability to make real decisions because we want to have a mutual learning take place. We want to be able to learn from all of your past experiences, but also we want you to be able to learn from the past decisions that we've made.
Of course, and thinking about the product a little bit, when you look at the market, the time is now. You look around and you see car cameras are becoming increasingly prevalent, both by mandate, the law in 2018 to have rear view cameras required, and also by choice. You see, we live in a hyper-sharing culture, and also we now can remotely interact with all sorts of sensors. Think about Nest. As a team, we take pride in doing our work well, and we generally avoid staying out of the spotlight, but we do take pride in some of the recognition we've gotten so far. We've received some recognition from the VC panel, and also we'll be continuing this project as part of the Lightspeed program this summer. So beyond that, the sky's the limit. We don't really know exactly where it's going to take us, but the one thing we do know is that we want you on board. As you begin your work, you'll work closely with our partners in Mountain View at the technology office, notable engineers like Michael Ehrman, who you may have met at an earlier visit. And the exciting part is we also have some good feedback from Munich, Mr. Thomas Frohman, who previously worked in the area. You might have met him on an earlier occasion. He's really excited about our product, working specifically with the Mini model and some of the journey functionality they've already built. But ultimately, when we go to market, we certainly know that we wouldn't be exactly opposed if you want to take one of those dev cars that you've been testing with and maybe take that special someone out for a night on the town.
So in addition to the opportunities you'll have to really impact our product going forward, we think there's another really important opportunity that we bring to the table, which is that someone with your skill set, which is a mix of hardware and software integration, really, we are one of the few companies right now that you're looking at that has an integration in play that you can continue to play to your skill set and grow your past skill set moving forward. And also, we do try to keep things fun, so we are very liberal in the use of image macros in our GitHub. Everyone who joins the company has to present a haiku, and we of course have 2 goats.
And of course, Adam, don't forget about that trip we're going on to the Giants game. We know Tyler's a big sports fan, so that should be a lot of fun.
So take some time to think this over. We're available at any point if you have questions. Is there anything we can answer for you right now?
So if I'm the only automobile integrator, what if you guys just kill me with work? I mean, it is a startup, but I don't know how long the integration will take. I haven't actually viewed your code, so what if I can't do it fast enough?
So the good news is we've already set up weekly meetings where a few of us have gone down to their office to get all that set up. So you're not gonna. We've done the work with the keeping the training wheels on. We'll get you on that bike, but soon enough, we're confident you'll be ready to take off those training wheels and go full force. So we definitely have your back on that one.
Yeah, so I mean, the way that we view engineering is that people specialize in specific fields, but of course anyone is available to help you if the need arises. We just operate on really a trust basis.
Okay. Good, thanks.
Awesome.